Take me past the outer courts into the holy place, past the brazen altar, Lord. I want to see your face. Pass me by the crowds of people, the priests to sing your praise. I hunger and thirst for your righteousness. It's only found